Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see, back with another video. I wanted to try something a little different. I had an idea and I wanted to see if it'll work. But also, before we get into that, do you guys notice my awesome new setup? I have a brand new camera and a brand new ring light. I'm so happy. Thank you, Grandpa and Uncle David. You have made filming so much better. I hope you guys enjoy this new, way better quality setup. Back into what I did this the other day as just putting on my makeup. I was kind of in a hurry, kind of running late, and I did this really pretty simple, like running late glam, I guess. It was like, and it only took a few minutes. So my goal is to, using only a few products, super simple, and to time myself to see how long it'll take for just like an everyday running late, get out the door type of makeup look. If you want to see that, keep on watching. So I'm gonna use the stopwatch. I'm gonna hit start on the stopwatch and hopefully end up looking somewhat decent for, you know, trying to run out the door and do stuff with your day, but still look presentable. My goal is to kind of eliminate a lot of products that take up a lot of time. So we're gonna see how it goes. I don't know, but let's see how fast I can do some super simple makeup. I'm gonna grab my primer. Another thing I've noticed when I do my makeup really fast when it comes to primer is try to find a primer that can also supplement as a moisturizer and your primer. That's gonna eliminate the time it would take for you to put on the moisturizer. I'm using this one. It is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, again, so you're using it as a moisturizer and a primer to save time. Okay, I'm gonna try and talk a little bit in between, but we'll see because I'm being timed, so I don't know how much talking I'll actually get in. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with this. Okay, starting my stopwatch now. Okay, so just putting a little bit of primer. And we're just going to put it all over my face. This is a really nice primer, by the way, if you guys are wondering. Great for just kind of, like it says, base tape something underneath your base so everything lasts longer, it's hydrating, smells really nice. Just a good old primer. Should have blended in nice. For this look, I'm going to eliminate using foundation. I'm gonna take two different concealers, and one of them is darker and one of them is lighter. And I'm basically going to kind of mix the two across my face. You'll see. So it's like foundation, but not foundation, so you end up saving yourself time. I don't know, this is the, oh my god, I'm late for school, my alarm didn't go off, or I'm running late to work, but I have to, I don't know, give a presentation, so I have to look somewhat awake, like I didn't stay up all night doing my work, because that's not on brand for me. You could also blend this out with your fingers if you wanted, or a brush. I'm using a beauty blender just because I think it's faster than using my fingers, but if you had to, you definitely could. You're not gonna look as great as you might if you did have time to put on foundation and concealer and all of this stuff that, you know, would normally make you look a little bit better, but hopefully this, you know, gives you a little something to work with. It also helps if you have a concealer that blends out relatively quick. That'll also save time, which is again why I wanted to make sure I use a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, whatever you got, just because I feel like it's much quicker when I use one of these compared to when I don't. Okay, I think we're all blended out on the concealer. So now my time is looking at 4.5 minutes. Pretty good, all right. So now I'm just gonna take this powder foundation. This is also gonna help you, rather than using something like a translucent, this is gonna help give you a little extra coverage and help make it last. And it's also, you know, I feel like for me, it takes a little less time than using like a loose setting powder. So I'm just putting this on like my T-zone, the areas where I just put all that concealer pretty much. Anywhere I want a little bit of extra coverage, just placing that all over. Making sure to set everything in place, because last thing we need if we're already running late is our face to start creasing when we get to wherever we're running late to. So just putting it over the face. I like to put powder on my eyelids just because, again, I put concealer in there, and even though we're not doing eyeshadow, still don't want your concealer to crease. Just throw some powder on there. Alright, powder is on. Now I'm just gonna take some blush just to add some color to my face, make me look a little bit more awake, a little more alive, not like I'm lacking of sleep. Just a little, don't want to go too much, because the point is to make this quick and easy. You could use a cream blush if you want for a little bit more of a dewy effect. Totally up to you. I prefer powder blushes, but whatever you got. Yeah, I'm just using this to add some color to my face. Making noise because it's sliding around. I'm sorry. I'm trying to hurry. Alright, we have our face done pretty much. Now I'm going to quickly just go through my brows, just to not necessarily fill them in, but just, you know, kind of make them look a little bit nicer. I feel like brows can do a lot for a face with not a lot of makeup on. Kind of make your face look a little bit more put together if you have your brows on. Like I said, the goal isn't to make them look, you know, like straight Instagram brows, but, you know, just to help frame your face, give a little bit of dimension to your eyebrows, make them a little more put together, like we clearly are not. I've also found whenever I'm in a hurry, if I try to rush on my eyebrows, they always end up messing up and end up taking me more time to fix them. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hurry on the rest of my face, but I'll take time with my brows. Because again, we don't need to make ourselves any more late than we already probably are. Or doing this to avoid being late, whatever your reason. Again, the goal is for today, we might have to sacrifice having perfectly even eyebrows for the sake of time. So don't be too anal if they're not perfectly symmetrical. Okay, I think that's good. Not perfect. I'd like to sit there a little bit longer, but can't. If you want, you could set it with some eyebrow gel. I might do that at the end, but right now, just trying to hurry. So, next, okay, mascara. Mascara also helps you look a little bit more put together, a little bit more awake. So, just gonna throw on some mascara, just a light coat, just to, you know, give our eyelashes some help. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. I love this mascara. It's definitely one of my favorites. I definitely recommend if you like those like naturally curled looking lashes, but it's also still makes your eyelashes look really thick, which I like. Alright, got some mascara on. Look a little bit more put together. Now I'm going to throw on a bit of highlight. You could use whatever you want. I'm going to use this ColourPop highlight. It's like a cream, so it's kind of just easy to just throw on. Don't really have to worry about, you know, finding a brush or, you know, kind of blend it up on my brow bone. It also, again, looks pretty natural once you blend it in, so you're not looking too crazy. Blend it above the brow bone over here, above your eyebrow, whatever. Take a little bit, pop that on your inner corner again. Little tricks like that, like putting some shimmer on your inner corner, even if you don't have eyeshadow on, helps make you look more awake, a little more put together. Right now I'm at like 13 minutes, looking pretty good. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna take that same powder brush, gonna go over things, make sure everything is blended, because you don't want to be looking crazy. You're already running late. And then now you could throw on a tinted lip balm, chapstick, lip gloss. I'm just gonna throw on this. It's like a tinted lipstick, I guess. I don't know. It's natural and pretty, so we're just gonna throw that on. That's brighter than I thought. Yeah, just like I said, chapstick, lip gloss, whatever you got, throw it on. Something quick, something you don't need lip liner for, something that's not matte, because that takes forever. Quick, easy, throw it on. Time, 14 minutes, looking pretty good. I don't know how much time editing wise you guys are looking at. Probably not the same amount, but mine says, can you read that? Can you read that? That's where we're at. Okay, let's see. Are we good? We good? If you want, you could throw on a little bit of bronzer if you have time. I didn't, again, for the sake of time. That's why I just chose to use the blush. Am I done? Am I done? Am I done? Stop. Ooh, yeah. Boom. Okay. That's the time. 14 minutes and 29 seconds. 14 and a half minutes. Now again, little things shorten it out. Like if you have, you know, like a perfect mixture concealer, that will also save you time because you won't have to do kind of what I did. Or maybe if you did foundation and no concealer, or, you know, stuff that's gonna cut down your time. So now, you know, to fix your hair, put on your perfume, your lip gloss, jewelry, whatever you need, and then you're good to go. Walk out the door. Super simple. Really, really quickly done. I'm running late, oh my gosh, but I need some makeup for the day. Slap something on. Hope you guys liked it. It was fun. It was fun. That was interesting. I like doing that. Maybe I'll do more time challengey things in the future. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I think this turned out pretty good. It's like cute. You could also, maybe this is like your everyday makeup, you know. If you're not like me who does a little bit extra. Yeah, it's pretty. I like it. For running late, I could have a good day looking like this. Yeah, not bad. 14 minutes to do this. I think that's pretty good if you're running late or trying to avoid being late. I hope you enjoyed. There will be more videos to come. Thanks again to my uncle and my grandfather for my new setup. It's awesome. I'm very happy that I can actually do relatively decent makeup tutorials now. Yay, I'm excited. So if you want to see more to come with my new setup, keep watching, subscribe, do all that stuff. See you guys in the next video. Da-da-da-da. Bye. Sure, I used a beauty blender. Got a hair on my chapstick. No! Never mind. I thought my stopwatch stopped, but it didn't. It stopped recording. I don't know why. Okay, you didn't miss much, but it did sacrifice me a couple seconds. Don't blame that on me. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.